Good afternoon, everyone. Environmental science last topic human communities and the environment. Okay. Today we will discuss about the pollution, human populations. Okay. Environmental related. Um, what are the human communities? First question. Okay. The portion of human ecosystem composed of human beings and associate plant and animal species. Okay. Okay. Human pop- pollution and environment population. Okay. Population. The word population has been derived from the Latin word population, populaten, populate, which means people. The group of individual spaces which occupy defined geography area is defined as population. सगळ्यांना माहित आहे population growth, the changes in population per unit area at particular time. Changes in population per unit area, correct, at particular time is called as population growth. Question आहे मला, how is the human society related to the environment? Humans means impact the physical environment in many ways. Overpopulation होऊ शकते, pollution, burning fossil fuels and deforestation. The changes like these triggers climate change, soil erosion, poor air quality and undrinkable water. Okay. Different humans. What is the difference means? What is the definition means? What is the definition of humans and the environment? Humans environment means the interaction between human beings and environment. It is the relation of the people with the natural physical environment around them. बरोबर. Environmental म्हणजे काय? Environmental includes the physical, biological, cultural, social and economical factors of the area. Okay. Population density means population density. This story on population density is the definite number of individual or people per unit area and per unit volume. म्हणजे काय डेन्सिटी म्हणजे काय? युनिट आणि एरिया आणि व्हॉल्यूम ऑफ द एन्व्हायरमेंट. कॅरिंग कॅपॅसिटी मीन्स मॅक्झिमम पॉप्युलेशन साईज आयडेंटिफाय सपोर्टिंग बाय अवेलेबल रिसोर्स. ओके. म्हणजे काय? फर्स्ट फोर टाइप क्लासिफिकेशन फॉर द कम्युनिटी फॉर द environment. Okay. Interested असेल action, place, practice. Interested means communities of people who share the same interested or passion. Action means communicates of people trying to bring about change. Places means place means communities of people brought together by geographic boundaries. And practice, last type is practice. Okay. How do humans destroy the nature? Okay. Causes of the human meditate causes of the biodiversity loss means land use changes. Humans may destroy natural landscapes as they mine resource and urbanize area. Some example include the mining of natural resource like coal, hunting of finishing the animals for food, and clearing of forest for urbanization and wood use. Okay. एक काय काय एक एक्झाम्पल बोलू सांगते. What are the some examples of communities? Communities also called biological community. In biological, an interacting group of various species in common location. For example, forest असेल, forest for trees and undergrowth planet inhabited by animal and rooted in soil containing bacteria and fungi constitute a biological communities. Okay. What are the human activities that disturb the ecosystem? Okay. Agriculture असेल, deforestation, overpopulation, okay, plastic production, destruction of reefs and production of land carbons. Okay. There are the two type of the communities, basic two types of the communities. First is the rural and second is urban. Rural and urban ऐकला असेल. Rural communities and urban community due to different social condition in both rural and urban area. Okay. Main part for the these are population overload human settlement. First is human settlement. Settlement can be defined as the communities who live in city, village, or town with all social materials, organization, spiritual and cultural element which exist to sustain for long time. The human settlement needs natural resources, physical elements as well as the services to sustain. These components comprise of fresh, clean air, water, असेल, food, shelters and services include like education, medical facilities. Okay, human settlements means the demography, study of human population in the regards to its different parameters like composition, size, distribution. Demography study provides input data for formulation of future policies in social sector like health, education, employment, housing, and environmental conservation. Okay, human population means is the total number of human beings inhabited a given area at a particular time. India is ranked second after China in world population. Sharp increase in human population last few decades led to population explosion. Okay. Human settlements is the need natural resource, physical elementary as well as service to sustain. These components comprise of fresh, clean air and water, wood, shelters and services includes like education, medical and filters. Next, population. Populations pollution means population pollution is the pollution caused due to overpopulation. मगाशी सांगितलंय overpopulation is the condition अति प्रमाणात when the population number of organisms exceeds the maximum carrying capacity of the environment. हे तुम्हाला images दिसतोय populationचं explosions and human populationचं. Okay. Next, population explosion of environmental issues. First, global warming असेल, deforestation, biodiversity discussion, pollution, stress, natural resource and water security. Human population. Okay, human population is total number of human beings inhabiting a given area at particular time. India is ranked second after China in world population. Sharp increasing in human population last few decades lead to population explosion. Means the every second 4 or 5 children are born somewhere on the earth and 2 people die. Okay, 4 पैकी 2 expire झाले समजा. Our population define cause natural resource depletion and environmental degradation. Total fertility rate, the number of children born to an average woman. Crowd birth rate, the number of birth 1000 person per year. Crowd death rate, the number of death per thousand person per year. Life expectancy, it is average age of person at death. Current average life expectancy around 40 to 5. आता जर तुम्ही ह्युमन पॉप्युलेशन बघता, आता लॉकडाऊन मध्ये संख्या जास्त लोकसंख्या वाढलेली आहे. सो ह्युमन पॉप्युलेशन हा खूप रिझन काय आहे तर रिझन फॉर द पॉप्युलेशन ग्रोथ science and technological advancement has increased the expectancy of human. People started living with good sanitation, food and medical facilities, increase in population exponentially. Therefore, in developing countries, the population increases at rate of 3.4% per year. Okay. Population explosion is the main cause server resource depletion and environmental degradation. Okay. Population explosion means the tremendous increase in the number of the people. It is known fact the increase of population is playing vital role of the all environmental damage. Most of our natural resources are under threat because the population growth. Population explosion with the digest economic inequity and environmental absence. Okay. Means the in cause several resource depletion, environment degradation means the resource like land, water, fossil fuel, minerals, etc. are limited and due to over explosion, these resources are getting exhausted. Renewable resources like forest, grassland, etc. are means under tremendous pressure. Industry and economic growth are rising our quality of life and adding toxic pollutant into the air, water, and soil has resulted the ecological life support system are getting jeopardized. Reason for population growth: increase in birth rate in development countries due to illiteracy. 35% of the population of India is illiteracy. Invention of modern medical facilities reduce the mortality rate. Okay. Human rights. Human rights. Human Rights Day is celebrated on 10th December every year. MCQ विचारतात human rights कधी आहे तर 10th December of every year. Every individual of Indian has to following rights. Human rights to freedom. बरोबर सगळ्यांना माहित पण आहे. ओके ह्युमन राईट्स कुठले असल्या पाहिजे ह्युमन राईट्स टू फ्रीडम ह्युमन राईट्स टू property, human rights to freedom of religion, human rights to culture and civilization, human rights to education, human rights to equality, human rights to find solution to exploitation, human rights to food and shelters, human rights to health, human rights to employment, human rights to social security, human rights to conference and companies. Okay, the most population countries as the 1919 July 1990 in millions, each figures equal 10 million. This figure, these images are the most populous countries. First is the China, India, US. Okay, down खालना जो आहे ब्राझील 68, इंडोनेशिया 209, US 276, इंडिया 998 and China just 1267 million. Okay, world population 5,978 million. Okay, China at 21%, India at 70%, US 4.6%, Indonesia 3.4%, and Brazil 2.8%. These are the graph for the distribution of world population in 2005. 2005 ला कसं होतं बघा इंडियाला किती इंडोनेशिया अदर आशिया आफ्रिका युरोप USA अदर नॉर्थ अमेरिकन बघितलं जास्त कुठे आहे तर पीपल रिप्युलेशन ऑफ चायनाला जास्त आहे role of IT in environmental health environmental technology is one of the forest growing technology. तुम्ही ठेवून गेलता का सर various softwares has been development for environmental health care. Lots of techniques are used under IT for development application for tools to acquire, store, analyze, and visualize data, which is used for observation of environment. Due to development of interested information through the settlement wide database it generates collection. Role of IT environment human health. Last, remote sensing and geographic information system provides data and knowledge from the global environment as it is used for mapping and monitoring various natural resources. ENVIS Environmental Information System. Ministry of Environmental Forest and Government of India has created on EVS ENVIS Environmental Information System. Different ENVIS center are set up different organizations for information collection storage which works towards fostering the relationship between trade and environment. IT is used for computer-based modeling and simulation of environmental sensor for analysis prediction. It is enable environmental science and research around the world to communicate, collaborate, and coordinate. IT can be used for audio, visual, and data communication for medical consultation, treatment, nursing, and medical education. Okay. IT is used for testing of DNA, creating DNA database, genetic information of a population. It means the medical records, the fingerprints, which are used for investigation agency to identify missing the person and criminals. IT helps in spreading awareness about endemic epidemic and communication digest with the help of remote sensing GIS identify several interested areas which are from diseases like malaria based upon mapping of such area. These are the introduction to environment, the environment and health objects. Health in physical, mental, social, and spiritual context. Environmental two important factor in the interaction of agents, the physical, biological, and social environment. Understand their impact. Environmental impacts. There are three types of the environmental impacts: physical, biological, environmental, human activities, and health of activities. Environmental, physical, and biological. The health activities plus and the health of physical. Components of environment: physical means the air, water, soil, housing, climate, geography, heat, light, noise, debris, radiation, etc. Biological means man, viruses, microbial agents, insect, rodent, animals, and planet. Okay, thank you. Any problem? Easy topic आहे human population and environment. Okay.